Good morning, students. Today we discuss the third lesson. Third lesson in our PS textbook. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. Refraction of light at plane surfaces. In this lesson, now we discuss the refractive index. Refractive index denoted by letter small n. This refractive index also called absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index. What is meant by refractive index or absolute refractive index? The refractive index or absolute refractive index is defined as the ratio between the speed of light in vacuum to the speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium. Speed of light in vacuum is speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum divided by letter capital C is equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second or 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second or 3 lakhs kilometer per second. That is the speed of light in a vacuum. 3 lakhs kilometer per second or 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second or 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. So, refractive index or absolute refractive index is defined as the ratio between the speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium denoted by speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium is different from different materials. Speed of light in medium. Let it to be V. So the refractive index n equal to C by V. That means refractive index or absolute refractive index. Absolute refractive index n equal to C by V. That means speed of light in vacuum capital C by speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium V. So C n equal to C by V. N equal to C by V. That equal to n equal to C by V. Refractive index or absolute refractive index n equal to C by V. It is a dimensionless quantity. Refractive index is a dimensionless quantity. That means it has no units. Refractive index or absolute refractive index small n has no units because it is the ratio of refractive index or absolute refractive index is the ratio of same physical quantity. That is the speed of light. The unit of speed is meter per second. And the unit of speed in medium also meter per second. Both are cancelled. That is equal to 1. So the refractive index or absolute refractive index has no units. What is meant by refractive index? What is meant by refractive or absolute refractive index? The refractive index or absolute refractive index is the ratio between the speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in medium. That is called n equal to C by V. Speed of light in vacuum denoted by letter capital C. The value of speed of light in vacuum 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second, or 3 into 10 power 5 kilometer per second, or 3 lakhs kilometer per second. Light ray also called electromagnetic wave. Light ray also called electromagnetic wave. Light ray, single white light ray consists of two fields, electric field and magnetic field. Light ray also called electromagnetic wave. The speed of light in medium let it to be v. Therefore, observe the refractive index n equal to c by v. N equal to c by v. If speed of light in any denser medium or any glass medium increases, the refractive index could be decreases. If speed of light through in any denser medium or any glass medium decreases, a refractive index could be increases. Okay, vice versa. If speed of light through glass, any transparent glass increases, refractive index is decreases. If the refractive index of glass slab, transparent glass increases, the speed of light in that transparent glass is decreases. Speed of light increases through transparent glass, refractive index decreases. Speed of light through any transparent glass is decreases, refractive index is increases. Both are inversely proportional, vice versa. If refractive index increases, if refractive index of any material increases, the speed of light through that material decreases. If refractive index of any material, any object or any body decreases, the speed of light through that body increases. That is the vice versa. Okay, one formula is there before last year, the 2 marks sum. The refractive index of glass, refractive index of glass small n equal to 3 by 2. Speed of light, we know speed of light vacuum. Speed of light in vacuum C equal to, we know C equal to 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Now we find the speed of light in glass. Speed of light in glass, V equal to question mark. We know the formula N equal to C by V. Here N is the refractive index of glass, so that is 3 by 2. That equal to C, value of C 3 into 10 power 8 divided by V, speed of light in glass. We find that value of V. So by cm 3 into V 3V. That equal to 3 into 10 power 8 into 2. Therefore V equal to 3 into 10 power 8 into 2 divided by 3 into 3 into V. This 3 into V, left side 3 into V, right side divided into divided multiply divide, right side divide 3 cancel. Therefore V equal to 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Meter per second. The speed of light in glass V equal to 2 into 10 power 8. That means 2 lakhs meter per seconds. 2 lakhs, sorry, 2 lakhs kilometer per second. The speed of light in glass 2 lakhs kilometer per second. In our textbook, the one table is there. The values of refractive index of some materials, the fixed values of refractive index, water 1.33, kerosene 1.44, and Canada balsam, cottage, some materials are there in our textbook. In a small box is there. And also in our workbook, page number 85, 7th question. Page number 85, 7th question. One table is there. Table. You must read that, learn that table. Okay. This is the refractive index. The what is meant by refractive index or observed refractive index? The ratio between the speed of light in vacuum to speed of light in medium. Speed of light in medium. Speed of light vacuum divided by letter capital C. Speed of light in medium divided by small v. Refractive index divided by letter small n. Therefore, small n equal to C by V. That is the refractive index or absolute refractive index. N equal to C by V. N equal to C by V. If refractive index value increases, the speed of light through that material is decreases. If refractive index value decreases, the speed of light through that material, through that any body, it could be increases, and vice versa. Absolute refractive index or refractive index is a dimensionless quantity. That means it has no units because it has a ratio. It is a ratio of two same physical quantities. Two same physical quantity means speed by speed. Speed of light, unit of speed meter per second, and unit of speed meter per second. Meter per second cancel, and the unit of refractive index or absolute refractive index, it is 1 milli. It is a milli number. It has no units. This sum is most important. In our textbook is given the refractive index of glass is 3 by 2. We know speed of light in vacuum 3 to 10 power 8 meter per second, and we find the speed of light in glass. V equal to question mark. We know the formula N equal to C by V. Substitute the values 3 by 2 equal to 3 into 10 power 8 by V. We find V by Cm 3 into V, 3V, 3 into 10 power 8 into 2, 3 into 10 power 8 into 2. Here, therefore, V equal to 3 divided by 3 into 10 power 8 into 2 divided by 3. 3 cancelled. So, therefore, V equal to 10 power 8 into 2 or 2 into 10 power 8 meter per second. Okay, student, we will meet in the next class. In the next class, we will discuss the relative refractive index. Okay, thank you.